Hi guys, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'll be showing you guys on how we can actually lock your Facebook profile without changing the language on your Facebook application. So if you are new on this channel, please do not forget to subscribe and turn on that notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos. Alright, let's get started. Alright, so the first thing that we need to do is to open up your Facebook application. So it can be the original Facebook application or the Facebook Lite. So here, as you can see, there is a three line at the top, so you need to press that and then you need to scroll down up to settings and privacy. And then after clicking that, you will see a bunch of settings. Just press settings. And then here are the tricks. So as you can see here, there is a privacy checkup. So since Facebook has removed the settings for locking your profile, they have added these new features. So what these features have? So the first setting is who can see what you share. So basically you can just set up all of these settings one by one. So you can just have edit who can see your posts or who can see your previous posts or whatsoever. Press the next button and you can see the other option where you can edit, and as you can see there is a limit button for here that will be for limiting to those who are seeing your posts. As you can see, there is also blocking, and you have to press next to get into this setup. So you can review all the settings that you have changed on this page. That is the new features that Facebook added. So they are no longer be allowing anyone to lock their profile. So before November 6th, there is also settings for Facebook profile, but since the Facebook is the new meta, they have removed that. So they also have added that new features and remove the one-click Facebook locking profile. So even if you change your language or even if you are in a different country, that settings is removed by Facebook. So I hope you like this video, and I hope that this video helps you, and if yes, please do not forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.